Hi, and welcome back. So far in our exercise, we have mainly focused on the source sheet. In this lesson, we will start working on the output that we will try to produce. As we already have an idea of what data we have extracted from SAP, it will be pretty easy to create a structure of the report we will build. So, the first thing we can say for certain is that we have 2 years of data, 2015 and 2016. Let's add 2 separate columns in which we will have data for 2015 and data for 2016. One of the most important drivers for FMCG businesses is volumes sold. And although volume isn't a financial measure, I would suggest putting it on top of our report. I will leave a blank row and will add gross sales income, which shows the revenue of the company before it provides discounts to its clients. That's why we'll have to add discounts. As we already said, gross sales income minus discounts equals net sales. Net sales is the amount of sales that actually goes into the company's bank account. This is the primary sales figure reviewed by analysts when conducting a financial analysis. If we subtract the cost of goods sold from net sales, we will obtain gross profit, which is a preliminary profit measure that shows how much a business makes after taking into consideration the cost of the products that it sells. There are 2 other cost items that we have in the source sheet: distribution and warehousing expenses. Let's add them to our structure. Okay. Very well. This gives us full delivered margin, a profitability measure that is typical for the FMCG industry, showing how much profit a firm makes when it takes into account the cost of production, warehouse, and transportation for its products. And that's it for now. These are the fields that we will try to populate in our next lessons. Thank you for watching.